Good morning, children. Today I am going to solve History Chapter 2nd Long Answer. The first question is, who were defeated in the Battle of Buxar? What were the consequences of the war? The solution is, the historic battle fought between the British and the Indian forces resulted in the victory for the British. The three combined army force of Mir Qasim of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dowlah from Awadh, and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II met with a crushing defeat under the hands of Major Munro. Now come to consequence of the war. It led to the signing of Allahabad Treaty in 1765 by Lord Clive with Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. Second, Diwani rights or fiscal right were secured, which meant that the British would administrate and manage revenue of large armies, which included the present-day West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh, as well as of Bangladesh. The British become the master of the people of these places. Now come to question on second. Explain the doctrine of lapse, which state were annexed on its basis. The final wave of annexation occurred under Lord Dalhousie, who was the Governor General from 1848 to 1856. He devised a policy that came to be known as the doctrine of lapse. Under the doctrine, when the ruler of a Protestant estate died without a natural heir, his estate was not passed on to an adopted heir as sanctioned by the age-old tradition of the country. Instead, it was to be annexed to British India unless the adoption had been clearly approved by the British authorities. Many states were annexed through this doctrine, like Satara in 1848, Sambhalpur in 1850, Udaipur in 1852, Nagpur in 1853, and Jhansi in 1854. Now come to question third. How did Lord Cornwallis organize civil service? Why were the Indians excluded from it? Lord Cornwallis tried to make the Indian civil service honest and efficient by increasing the salary of officers and by fixing the rule that promotion would be the basis of seniority. The officers were not allowed to accept present and books. The Indians were excluded from it because the British wanted to administration based on British ideas and practices. The ability and the intensity of Indians were not trusted. Now, the next question would be solved in the next videos.